Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a U-bowl with a wing on it, and it's a wing that is left natural. So right now we are just marking out for a mortise and for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera in position and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by shaping. And the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. We're going to go right up to the foot, and we're going to go round and we're going to get a wing, or right up to where the wing is going to be. There we go. Now we're going in with the mid-size rougher, and we're creating the said wing. There we go. Alright, we changed the camera angle and we need to do a little bit more refining on the bowl and the wing, so we're going to do that right now with the mid-size rougher. And here is the detailer. Alright, so now we're going to give the bowl shape a bit more of a bowl look, and we're going to give the foot a bit more of a well, feet. There we go. We're going to do that with the rougher. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to make the mortise, and the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. I'm going to clear it all out and flatten it all off using the rougher. Back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck and to add well, details. There we go. Alright, on to sanding. So I've already done most of it, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit. Going to do some hand sanding along them wings. There we go. Alright, we're going to clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Going to turn that lathe off and then do the wings by hand. Alright, some spray on sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. So you wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. And you go, just buff it in around about 500 RPMs. Let the grit break down and just buff it in. There you go, the last few wipes here. There you go. And now some finishing wax from Hampshire Sheen. So So you wipe this all over, get nice even coverage, let the solvents evaporate, and then turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Being careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. There you go, use your fingertips and build up that heat. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to do a bit of hollowing. But first of all, we need to flatten that top off. And we're going to use the mid-size rougher for that. One of my favourite cuts, that is, revealing the clean wood underneath. Alright, now we're going to grab a pencil and we're going to figure out where we can hollow from. Find out the inside measurements of the bowl. There we go. Alright, and now we're going to get to hollowing. Alright, first of all we're going to mark the diameter with a detailer, and here is the hollowing using the #1 hollower. All tools, cutters and even the lathe will be listed down in the description if anybody is interested. There's the mid-size finish. Let's take out any lumps and bumps that might have been left over. And a detailer to add another detail around the rim. There you go. Alright, once again already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand again to 240 grit. There we go. And we're going to clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Get them wings with the lathe stationary. Some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Exactly the same as the underside. Just wipe it all over, get nice even coverage and buff it in. Just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There we go, last few wipes. There we go. And some Hampshire sheen finishing wax. So you're going to wipe this all over exactly the same as you did on the bottom side. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just use your fingertips to build up that heat. And there you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like, And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.